the PCV valve location and replacement for a 2005 Ford 500. We're going to start by removing this roll restrictor bar here by taking off these two bolts here, the two bolts over here, and the one bolt right here. Bolt right here. This should come right out. Car looking in, and I'm going to zoom in on where the PCV valve is. It's right in there. Now I'm going to look at it at a different angle. I'll come out here. And it is connected to this tube, that same thing I just showed you. It's connected to this tube running down. And we're gonna disconnect this at both ends. I'm gonna push this green tab in and pull it out. Out at the same time. Then I'm going to reach down here and do the same thing on this side. You can see the green tab, you can see it right there. I'm pulling it down, and I'm going to pull it out, just like that. Now some of you may have a electric connector that you'll need to detach. It's a heating electric wire. In this case, I don't have it on this car. I'll explain what that is in just a minute. But you're supposed to turn this PCV valve counterclockwise. So it'll be lefty-loosey on this. I took some pliers, went in this way, and was able to give it some persuasion and go that way. So that worked. That makes it come out easy. There it is. This one's pretty old and pretty gummed up. It is still moving though. That's good. But it is ready to be changed. Ford says that a new PCV valve must be installed if removed from the cam cover. Damage will occur to the locking mechanism on the PCV valve. So you want to make sure that you have a new one before you, and don't put this one back in, but make sure you have a new one to put back in. And this is the one that is the non-heated, and it does not have an electrical connector to it. It's actually a cheaper one, but I believe that the reason why they have the electrical connector type, which is more expensive, somewhere around $75, is for colder climates. They're used to heat this up. So fortunately, this is the more like the $25 one, and we're going to replace it. It's good to do these changes regularly according to the owner's manual, so that this doesn't clog up, because if it does clog up and stick, it can cause damage to the engine.